Hello guys, a lot of us want to use Canva, but there's no way we can use it because we did not pay for Canva Pro. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva without Canva Pro and free. This process is easy and is a free background remover. A lot of features here are all pro, like when you come to this place, all this, there are a lot of pro features, like this ones here. As you can see, it's pro features, so you cannot use it like that without you being paid for the pro feature. Like now, if I bring in this picture, I am look, as you see, as you can see here, the pro picture is not opening, is still in yellow. And if I click on it for it to remove background for me on this picture, if I click on it for it to remove background for me on this picture, you will see that it will tell me to upgrade to use this feature. But since I don't want to upgrade, I don't want to pay for the pro feature, what I will do is I will come to here, app, then open it. Then what I will do is I will come back, I will come down. These are all the information that this app contain, of which some of them you can't use it without upgrading. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to elements, is come to app. As I've come to app, click on app, then click on search Canva apps. Then I'll click on clear background. Then as this clear background come up, I will click on background eraser. Then here it's telling me to upload the picture I want to remove the background with. Like here, this one and this one here, I'm going to upload here, are different thing altogether. Now you have seen that this one is working differently from somewhere else, while this particular one is working differently from somewhere else. So upload an image and watch the background disappear. So I will say choose file, then I will come to where I keep, where my files is, and choose the picture I want. So this is the picture I want to remove the background with, and I'm going to click on remove background. Let's see how it's going to happen. As you can see, this is it. As you can see, this is it. So I can as well come to edit image and go to filter. This is filter. Look for beautiful filter to use to make this my picture very nice before I can use it. I like this one. Then keep checking, keep checking, keep checking, keep checking, keep checking, keep checking, keep checking. I think I like this. Oh, no, this is better. Stuck. So there are a lot of features here that you can use. If you want black and white as well, this black and white is not bad. You want this one, you can use. So if you have even 20 or 50 photos, you can also do that for free. You can also open another page, bring another one, tell it to come here, tell it to remove background. Look at it. Then I'll tell it to fit it to page. Then come to edit image. Then also choose what I wanted. Also choose, choose, choose. And this is how you can remove background in Canva without Canva Pro. If you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and see you in my next. Bye.